Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. I purchased the course, I've been through the 6 weeks of training, and now in this video I'm going to be showing you inside the members area, sharing everything that you actually get, giving you my honest opinion and review on the Super Affiliate System. So very shortly we're going to jump to the computer, guys, but before we do jump into that, if you enjoy this video and you like what you see, you're interested in joining the Super Affiliate System, if you use the link in the description down below, that is going to be an affiliate link, okay? If you purchase through that link, I will earn a small commission, okay? So make sure you use that link down there if you are interested in joining this course. So this course, it focuses on getting paid traffic to affiliate offers, okay? It's going to teach you everything that you need to know about that. So let's jump to the computer. I'll show you inside the members area and everything that you get. So let's go. Alright then, guys, so welcome to the inside members area of John Crestani's Super Affiliate System. Just going to give you a quick rundown. I don't want to make this video too long and boring, and I also can't give away too much information. I can't show you too much, because then what will be the point in him, selling this course. Alright, so I'm going to show you as much as I possibly can, give you a good idea of what this course is all about. So as you can see right here, we have 6 weeks of different things right here. Okay, set up your profile, goals, week 1, week 2, YouTube ads, certification 4, week 5, week 6. Okay, so this is a 6-week course, mainly focusing on running paid traffic to affiliate offers, okay, to promote affiliate offers through Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and all of that good stuff, okay? Running paid traffic to promote affiliate offers. That is what this course is mainly about. And you're going to get 6 weeks of training, and it is jam-packed, guys. There's a lot. I'll show you inside the actual course in just a moment, but trust me, there's a lot of information and a lot of training inside this course. You get a lot of value for your money. And on top of this training that he provides you, you also get some other stuff as well. You got a lot of good resources, and there's a great community as well, where John himself is actually commenting, replying to different posts and threads inside there, and there's hundreds of other members also replying to comments, everyone helping each other out, which I'll show you again very shortly in this video. I'll just show you the dashboard very quickly before we jump into the main part, the actual course and the training. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Okay, this is the home page. You got tools and applications, a collection of tools and applications to aid in building your marketing business. Everything that you need is right here. Okay, they've got a calendar for all the different trainings, which I'll mention a bit more later on. Okay, these live webinars. Latest posts, okay, posts in the forum, the best ones, the most active ones, the top posts right here, okay, everything that you need to know, all the questions and stuff like that, this is going to be answered right here. The main questions will be right here. And it says, please search the forum. Okay, I'm going to go into more detail about that again later as well. But don't forget to search the forum. If you have any questions, the forum is the first place to go, okay? Because there's a lot of questions being answered in there already. I'll show you later there's a search button that you can use to actually find any answer that you're looking for. Okay, so let's jump straight to the main part of this. This is the part that everyone is looking forward to the most. So let's jump into this. This is the actual course itself. As you can see, guys, it says 0% complete. I've just reset this just to show you what it's actually going to look like when you sign up. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is it. 6 weeks of training. And if I try to skip through to here, if I try skipping to one of these ones, see, it won't let me. Okay, you have to watch them one by one. That is what he wants you to do, because that's the best way. If you're just going through skipping all the videos, you're going to miss a lot of important steps. You're going to get things wrong. You're going to make mistakes, and mistakes are going to cost you money. So trust him, guys. Trust the way he wants you to do it. Don't skip the videos. Just be patient. Go through the videos. Follow everything that he shows you step by step, and you are going to have some success, okay? If you're skipping through, getting bored, watching random videos, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. Trust me, a lot of mistakes will be made. And like I said, they will cost you money. Every single small mistake you make could cost you a lot of money. So let's have a quick look at this. So this is week 1, the system setup. So look, you can see the length of the videos right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos just in week 1, okay? Week 1 is 10 videos, about 5 minutes, 14 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, all different varieties of lengths. And basically this is this is the very basics. This is week 1. This is getting you into it, letting you know what you're getting yourself into. The system setup, okay, setting up your system on here. Joining an affiliate network is going to help you find an affiliate network to join. Setting up a website, making a website. pre-sale pages, all of these pre-sale pages and stuff, he's got those in the resources right here for you. Okay, so anything that you need in here, he'll mention in the videos. You can just go to the resources and find everything right there. Okay, so basically, guys, this is telling you what this is about, getting you started. And then the weeks coming after that, guys, as you can see, we got week 2 Google Ads setup. Got some long videos in here, guys, 30-minute videos right here. Week 3 YouTube ads. Week 4 advanced ad tactics using Facebook and stuff like that. Week 5 pre-sale pages and scaling your business, okay, scaling your ads and stuff like that. That's when you can start actually making some money and can afford to start scaling. By this point, week 5, you should be able to do that, guys. All right, and week 6 product selection. Okay, so there we go. Like I said, I can't actually show you inside the videos because what would be the point then, Like I said, there won't be any point in him selling this, so I'm not going to show you inside the videos. Like you can actually skip ahead, guys. I don't recommend this at all, but you can if you want. Click here to start watching. Then I'm just going to click that for now. Just want to show you this very quickly, okay? If you go to the languages right here, I'll play just a few seconds of this, okay? Just to show you that they do have how do I mute this? Just to show you, okay, they do have closed captions in the videos as well. So if you don't understand English or you prefer to another language, they do have a lot of different languages for you to choose from as well. You got Dutch, Spanish, French, Portuguese. Is that Russian? I have no idea. And then Chinese, maybe Korean. Okay, I'm not entirely sure what those languages are, but they've got most languages covered inside here, so you can understand this no matter what language you speak. Okay. I'm assuming most of you will be understanding English if you watch my videos though, but they have got other options if you prefer to have some subtitles to understand it better, okay? But yeah, guys, so that is pretty much all there is to this. I could not recommend this enough. The value you get from this is incredible, okay? It's really good value for your money. 6 weeks of pretty intense training, guys. It's pretty in-depth. Highly recommend going through it. You're going to learn a lot about setting up ads, getting paid traffic to promote affiliate offers. You can get a good start on affiliate marketing and actually making a good income online, okay? And affiliate marketing, after it's all set up, guys, is basically passive income, okay? It takes a while to get set up, but it is definitely worth it. You're going to be earning money basically while you sleep with all of these ads running for you automatically, all overnight while you're sleeping, while you're traveling the world. These ads are going to be constantly running. There's not much to do. Once they're all set up, there is not much to do at all, okay? Passive income into your bank accounts, basically 24/7, and he will teach you exactly how to do that in this course. So like I said, he does have resources for you as well. He will mention in the videos when you need to access these resources. When he tells you to, just click this button right here and you'll be taken to this page right here. Okay, so you got resource links, loads and loads of good stuff in here as well. You got ad swipes, so these are just things you can copy and paste basically. Pre-sale pages, affiliate networks that you can join, advertising networks, legal resources. So if you have any queries about anything, you're worried you're going to be doing something illegal, you can check on the Facebook policies, the Google policies, YouTube policies, and all of that stuff. All of these resources are inside here as well. Loads of different stuff. You can see right here, loads and loads of stuff, things to help you with Google finding keywords and stuff like that, keyword research, loads of things. And then you've got the module resources right here. Okay, so these ones, like I said, when you're watching those videos, he will mention, check the week 1 resources, and there'll be some things in there for you. Okay, check the week 2 ones, there'll be some things in there. Okay, that's how this will work. Loads of different things inside here, resources to help you on your journey of becoming an affiliate marketer. And finally, guys, I want to show you the community area. Okay, this is the forum basically. I've already opened it, so it's going to click it right here. So this is the forum, and again, loads of different threads, and it's got daily posts in here. People are pretty active in here. Not super active, but you can expect a reply from somebody pretty quickly. Okay, so loads of different threads, upcoming events before you get started. So basic rules that everyone must follow. So before you start anything, he highly recommends that you read these. Okay, read these rules right here. Loads of different things. This is the most popular one, the super affiliate system discussion. Let's click in here. I'll just show you a few things. So week 1 discussion, loads of different things there. And then here's some threads that people have started themselves, some posts people started. Okay, and as you can see, guys, replies 2, 12, 23, 4, 2. not super active, but they, 31 minutes ago, somebody replied in this, 1 hour ago, 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago, pretty much daily, daily updates in here, people asking questions, and they do have a search function as well. So if you do have a question, any queries whatsoever, you can do a quick search in here, and it will find something, that your question might have been answered already. If it hasn't, then you can leave a post in here and somebody will get back to you, okay? Alright, and finally guys, the last thing I want to show you is that he does do live weekly webinars, okay? These webinars, he's going to be actually doing these himself, okay? He's going to be live, he's going to be recording himself live, answering any questions that anybody has, okay? So, highly recommend watching these every time he goes live. Highly recommend watching these live streams, okay? You can click that right here. It says weekly calls. I've just reset my account, so it's not going to show me yet. Yeah, okay? So register for weekly training, but it's very easy to do. Just click the button and basically just register, and then you will get access to these live weekly webinars. Highly recommend these guys. Sign up to them. There's actually one, what date it is? Tomorrow, okay? There's a webinar tomorrow. There's another one a week later, another one a week later. Okay, he does these every single week. All you have to do, enter your name, email address, and then boom, you're going to be inside. Okay, very easy to do. It says right here, get your questions answered live every single week by attending the weekly Super Affiliate System coaching calls. Make sure you attend on a desktop, laptop, computer, and have a working microphone if you want to ask questions. Not all questions will be answered, but we will try to get through as many as we can. So there we go, guys. That is pretty much it. Highly recommend this system, John Crestani's Super Affiliate System. Very good training inside, very in-depth, and it's going to give you a very good idea of how you can run paid traffic to promote affiliate offers using YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, all sorts of ads. This is going to be passive income for you. Once all of this is set up, once you've gone through the training, your ads are running on autopilot, it's going to be passive income for you. Alright guys, and that is it. That is the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. That is my review on it and my honest opinion. I really enjoyed the training. I learned a lot from it. I think the value for the money that you pay is absolutely great. Okay, highly recommend you check this out. You will learn a lot, and you can learn how to make some big money using paid advertisements to get paid traffic to your affiliate programs. All right, everything you need to know is in the training. And like I said, he does those live webinars every single week as well. You got the community to help you if you're stuck with anything, okay? Everything that you possibly need is inside this course, inside this system. And like I said at the start of this video, if you are interested in joining, use the link in the description down below. That's going to get you the cheapest price available at this time, okay? Because like I said, it is an affiliate link. I will earn a small commission, but as a thank you, I'm going to give you the discount on top of it, okay? So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with anyone that's going to be interested in John Crestani's course, Super Affiliate System. Help them out as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.